Flashing green traffic lights in British Columbia, like these ones in Vancouver, are simply like regular green lights, but are controlled by pedestrians and/or cyclists. These lights will flash green all day and all night until someone wishes to cross the intersection and pushes the button beside the edge of the crosswalk. The cross traffic is facing a regular stop sign, usually a two-way stop. And yes, this is ridiculous. Some flashing green traffic lights will change to a solid green color after someone pushes the button and stay solid green for several seconds before changing to yellow and then red. Others will not do this and will simply change from flashing green to yellow and then red. So the only way to predict if these lights will change is to simply scan the edges to see if there are any pedestrians and/or cyclists, or other drivers if you know what I mean, who may be interested in crossing the intersection. These are not to be confused with the flashing green traffic lights in Alberta, which are different, and mean that drivers may turn left